G'day everyone, it's Chriso. This is a process not to be missed. It's the sealing of all my walls before waterproofing. I'll show you in a sec. Hey, it's Chriso. This is a process not to be missed. Seal your walls, because if you have dust, you are history. I'll come back to you shortly. See the dust there? This just binds it all together. It doesn't cost much to do, but if you don't do this, well, you're wasting your time doing the waterproof, and you're wasting your time tiling your bathroom. It's just picking up the dust, gluing it all together, and then you've got a good surface to glue to. See you soon. This is a very important process of waterproofing and tiling. You can't stick glue to dust, and you can't waterproof to dust.